I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm kezia. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have another banger. My mind is actually blown, you guys. Stick around for all the details about today's install. Today's hair sponsor is CurlyMe. I've been working with them a lot lately, and you guys, it's because I'm obsessed with them. I'm obsessed with their wigs. What I have installed is a 24-inch body wave wig. This is a glueless unit. Go in with this lace tint. I'm just putting it inside. I'm gonna dab it. Yeah, we're gonna leave her glueless today, honey. You don't even have to curl this wig. Like, you can just wear it in its natural form. Like, it's just beautiful. Look at that hairline. Beautiful. I did bleach the knots on my wig, but if you don't want to bleach the knots, you don't have to. They are pretty small. I just like the way that my wigs look when I bleach my knots. I'm just gonna do the slightest amount of baby hairs right here. Ebon spray for baby hairs. So that's my new technique, guys, that I've discovered. Spray and hold. Hold right where the baby hairs start. This is like something that's been really working for me. And then once you let that go, look, you could do wispy baby hairs. You can do whatever you want. And I think it's actually easier if you curl under. Spray, hold. See? You'll get better. Now, I'm not saying I'm an expert or anything like that now. I do baby hairs good in one video. I'm like feeling myself like, okay, I'm that girl. Oh God, I'm sick of me. It's like, why didn't the girlies tell us that? That's how simple it is, guys. They've been gatekeeping. If I discover something, I'll tell you guys. I promise. As long as that hair covers down that little track, we are good. Brush and hold. Look at that. I'm telling you. Is that what we're doing? Are we giving too much forehead? Let me know, you guys. I almost feel like it needs to go a little bit closer. But that's no problem because it's glueless. I just didn't want to mess up my baby hairs too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna press that back down. Some spritz. It took me about 25 minutes to curl the entire head. What really makes this wig glueless is the dome cap. It's really secure on your head and you can just put it on and you're ready to go. It also comes with the most beautifully plucked hairline. This is among the best I've ever seen for a company. Girl, it's giving. Like, it's giving a whole lot of hair. It's giving, you know, like a black girl hair. As I noticed the lace was looking a little light. I knew that I wanted to wear this wig mostly glueless, so I needed to put something on the lace underneath to really help it blend with my skin, because when you spray the hairspray or glue, it does melt in. But if you're not going to be wearing it with any hair products, I would suggest, if you're my complexion, using some form of like lace tint. It holds a really nice curl. It is more on the coarse side, but because it's like that, it holds the curl better. So this is how full she is, you guys. Look at her. CurlyMe Hair is actually the GOAT of glueless wigs. There's no question, there's no arguments, debates, like everybody else needs to sit down, because when it comes to glueless wigs, this is where you should go. This wig is definitely giving me styled length because she is long, even after being curled. Keep doing you, CurlyMe. I'm impressed. If you like this video, thumbs up before you go and leave a comment on your way out. Bye guys.